How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna share with you a crazy plugin that will transform your mix from sounding amateur to a mix that sounds more open, more wide, warm, more professional. Okay, so let me play the song with the plugins. Then I will turn off the plugin so that you can hear how the mix sound without this plugin. Okay, so let me now turn off the plugin I'm using so that you can hear how the mix sound without this plugin. Okay, this is how it sounds. Very dry. It's very dry. Okay, more digital. So let's see again how it sounds without the magic plugin. Now I'm gonna engage the plugin so that we can hear how it sounds. You already saw the name, and this plugin is free. Okay, you see how it sounds now. The mix is now more open, more wide, more warmth, and it sounds like a lot is going on. Okay, so let me show you. You already saw the name of the plugin, but let me reveal. Okay, the plugin is this one. It's MULTIBENDER from WA Production. It's a multi-band delay. Okay, as you can see, it's a multi-band delay. This is a free version, but you can get the full version. I know what's the difference. I think the paid version, you will be able to manipulate these settings. Okay, with this free one it's impossible. Okay, so I won't explain how it works. You can try to find by your own, but I'll just show you the preset, or you can copy the settings that I'm using. Okay, let's start with the piano. The piano sounds like this without the plugin. Now with the plugin, you can copy the settings. Okay. Again, without. Now with the plugin. Next one, let me turn off the plugin. Now with the plugin. Let's copy the settings. Okay, let's go to the next one. So let's go to the snare. How the snare sound with the plugin. Okay, you just copy the settings I'm using. Okay, next one, the percussion. Okay, let me turn off the plugin. Now with the plugin. Oh, this plugin is crazy, man. Just copy the settings. Okay, I've used this plugin also on the bass and kick. I know, don't use a delay on a kick drum, but I'm using this plugin here to cut off the high frequencies. I'm using this low band here, okay, and I'm using a 1/8 to match the tempo of the beat. Okay, if you don't use this one, you will get unbalanced kick drum, like it won't play on time. Okay, so that's why I'm using this 1/8 to match the BPM of the beat. Okay, so you can just copy the settings. Okay, let's see how without. With the plugin. I love this plugin. Okay, let's go to the bass now. Again, let's see how you just use 1/8 to match the BPM of the beat. Okay, if you don't use this one, I already explained that what will happen. Okay, so let's see how the bass sound without the plugin. Now with the plugin. Yeah, man. Okay, so just copy the settings. Okay, just copy the settings, and remember, for the kick drum and bass, just use 1/8 so that they match the BPM of the beat. Okay, so let's see again all the beat without the magic plugin. Then I will engage the magic plugin. Okay, and turn off. Okay, okay, with the plugin engaged. Okay, on the master chain, I'm using this plugin also from MULTIBENDER production. Okay, I'm using this one for mastering. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace.